With this homemade disinfectant, your home will always be free of bacteria and unpleasant odors, protecting you and your loved ones from possible infections. To begin, we will take 2 plastic cups and cut them at the bottom. This will allow us to use the bases as containers to mix the ingredients. Then, in each of these containers, we pour a combination of acetone, alcohol, and white vinegar. It is important that the quantities are adequate to guarantee the effectiveness of the disinfectant. Once we have added these ingredients, we will use a spoon to mix them well, making sure to obtain a homogeneous solution. Once the mixture is ready, we will simply place the containers in the areas of our home where we want to fight bacteria and eliminate bad odors. This homemade disinfectant will start working immediately, keeping your home clean and fresh in a natural and safe way. If you prefer a more practical application, you can choose to prepare this disinfectant in spray form. To do this, we will take a glass and pour acetone, alcohol, and white vinegar into it in the same proportions mentioned above. We will mix well until we obtain a homogeneous solution. Next, with the help of a funnel, we pour the liquid into a plastic bottle. Once full, we will place a spray bottle in the bottle, allowing the disinfectant to spread easily. With this disinfectant spray, you can spray the surfaces you want to disinfect, such as tables, countertops, door handles, and any other area that needs cleaning and protection against bacteria. This method is especially useful for quickly disinfecting and maintaining hygiene in your home efficiently. The combination of acetone, alcohol, and white vinegar is effective in eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors, thanks to the disinfectant properties of these components. Acetone is known for its ability to dissolve oils and greases. Alcohol is a powerful disinfectant that eliminates a wide range of microorganisms, and white vinegar is a natural agent that neutralizes odors and helps disinfect.